What to expect with a hot water heater install. When you book your hot water heater installation with Action Furnace, your personal home comfort advisor will come to your home to start the evaluation process. During this evaluation, your advisor will thoroughly examine your existing unit, assess the size of your home, and estimate your hot water usage to quickly determine the best options for your needs. After the evaluation, they will present you with a comprehensive quote. All recommendations for your hot water heater installation will be fully explained, taking into account your home's efficiency, size, and power requirements. Additionally, you will discuss our most popular hot water heater options and any special features available. With Action Furnace's no surprise guarantee, you can rest assured that the investment quoted is exactly what you will pay, with no additional charges during or after the installation. We carry a large inventory of hot water tanks, so once you approve the quote, our team will schedule a convenient time for your installation. On the day of your installation, your technician will arrive at the predetermined time and complete the installation of your new hot water heater within 8 hours. Our team is committed to providing clean and respectful service, using booties and laying down floor coverings to protect your home, and they will ensure minimal disruption to your daily life. Our installation technicians are known for their exceptional skill, attitude, and workmanship. They will treat your home with care and complete the job efficiently and precisely. If they do not meet these high standards, we will offer you a 1-year free club membership at no charge. Once your installation is complete, your technician will connect and fill your new hot water heater, troubleshooting to ensure it operates properly and efficiently. Finally, they will walk you through the operation, features, and any warranties associated with your new system.